In today's video, I will walk you through how to create Liquify effect in Adobe Photoshop. First, go to Select and choose Subject. After that, add a layer mask. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate the image layer. Next, go to the adjustment layer icon and choose Gradient Map. Select the black and white gradient, then change this to black color. Now hold Alt and click between the layers to create a clipping mask. After that, hold Shift and select both layers. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Now go to Filter and choose Liquify. You can change the brush size from here and start adjusting the image however you like. Continue making changes until you are happy with the result. Once everything looks fine, press OK. Next, hold Shift and select both layers again. Click on the group icon to place them into a folder. Rename the folder. Now let's make the image colors more appealing. Go to the adjustment layer icon and choose Hue Saturation. Set the saturation to 100%. After that, change the blending mode to Color Burn. Then set the fill to 7%. Now hold Alt and click between the layers again to create another clipping mask. Next, go back to the adjustment layer icon and choose Hue Saturation one more time. Set the saturation to 100% again. Click here to create a clipping mask, then change the blending mode to Color Dodge. After that, set the fill to 4%. At this point, the Liquify effect is complete, and your final result should now look much more stylized with the adjusted colors and distorted effect applied to the image. You can continue making small adjustments to the Liquify settings or layer settings if needed, until everything looks the way you want. And that's it for this tutorial. Hope you liked it.